The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre is not just a car, it's a declaration. A declaration that the future of ultra-luxury is electric, and that elegance, tradition, and cutting-edge technology can coexist in one breathtaking silhouette. As you approach the Spectre, the first thing that strikes you is its sheer presence. It's long, low, and impossibly graceful, with the signature Pantheon grille, now illuminated, flanked by slender LED headlights that seem to stare into your soul. This is unmistakably a Rolls-Royce, yet like none before it. Slide inside and you're greeted by an interior that redefines opulence. Every surface is a canvas for craftsmanship. From the starlight doors with embedded fiber optic lights to the hand-stitched leather and polished wood, nothing feels manufactured. Everything feels created. The infotainment system, dubbed Spirit, seamlessly blends into the cabin, offering high-res displays, voice control, and even customizable digital art panels for owners who want their car to reflect their personal aesthetic. The silence of the electric drivetrain only adds to the sense of serenity. In fact, Rolls-Royce went to great lengths to ensure the cabin remains a sanctuary, even by their own sky-high standards. The result is what they call a soundstage of calm. Underneath all this elegance is a serious piece of electric engineering. The Spectre is built on Rolls-Royce's new all-electric architecture, delivering an estimated range of around 320 miles on a full charge. Powered by dual electric motors producing over 580 horsepower, the Spectre glides from 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds. Not that you'll ever want to rush such an experience. The power delivery is seamless, confident, and composed. It's not about brute speed, it's about effortless momentum. The steering is light yet precise, and the suspension, enhanced with advanced adaptive technology, makes the car feel like it's levitating over the road. One of the most fascinating things about the Spectre is how it manages to be future-forward without abandoning its heritage. Every detail, from the Spirit of Ecstasy sculpture redesigned for better aerodynamics to the majestic two-door coupe proportions, echoes Rolls-Royce's commitment to timeless design. Yet this is also the most technologically advanced car they've ever produced. Over-the-air updates, connected services, and predictive driving systems ensure that the Spectre remains at the cutting edge long after it leaves the factory. The 2026 Spectre isn't just Rolls-Royce's first electric car, it's the start of a new era. One where sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing luxury, where digital intelligence enhances rather than replaces human craftsmanship, and where every journey feels like a ceremony. This isn't just a car for early adopters, it's for those who expect the best, demand elegance, and are ready to embrace the future without letting go of the past. The Spectre is more than an EV, it's a Rolls-Royce, reinvented.